was a discussion on defense cooperation. President Marcos thanked the Prime Minister for cooperation in the area of defense industry, the export of defense platforms to India, including the BrahMos. He also called for greater cooperation in the area of defense industry. I'll also try and answer with the other question about terms of reference for services cooperation. In addition, as part of our broader defense cooperation, we were talking about capacity building, joint exercises or joint cooperative maritime activities, exchange of training programs between our officials, and then all standard elements that we talk about when it comes to defense cooperation. Arms and equipment from India, of course, we talk about more opportunities for India to export our defense platforms. I think that we have indeed exported a number of defense hardware platforms to many, many countries, and Philippines certainly showed interest in working with us for exploring opportunities for more defense platforms. We're also talking about ship visits, cooperation as part of multilateral formats. One of the ships, 4 ships that went to Philippines in the last few days was a hydrography ship, which also demonstrated our capabilities in hydrography. We are also talking about enhanced cooperation between our coast guards. Basically aimed at sharing best practices, enhancing maritime domain awareness on both sides, talking about enhancing interoperability, working together to enhance our disaster response readiness in the coming years, and so on. So all these areas will be discussed as part of services to services cooperation, and the terms of reference obviously reflect all of these. Space is another area. In fact, what we did was to highlight our capabilities in space and the cost effectiveness of our space program. President Marcos said he had indeed studied how cost effective our space program is, and they wanted to try and use some of our space technology, space capabilities to effect social transformation, in terms of helping predict weather events, helping with agriculture, helping with disaster relief, etc. So those are areas which are of interest. Naturally, we'll be talking in terms of helping with launching Philippine satellites, helping them develop satellites, etc. All of these are on the table in terms of possibilities for cooperation. On Trump tariffs, there was no discussion on the tariffs imposed by the US on India or any other country. There was a broad discussion on the motivations to try and diversify trade, expand the